This DVD takes you on a journey north through Finland in spring, visiting many of the best birdwatching sites in that country, south of the Arctic Circle. We'll be showing you owls around Oulu, forest birds around Kuusamo, and water birds near Pericola.
So there's this beautiful chorus all the time of this wonderful whooping sound, and these birds just on their way north as we are. There's a blithe reed warbler, so that's 3 of the night singers all in this one area, which is really good. Limingenlahti is one of the best, probably the best, wetland area in the whole of Finland. One of the very best spots in this area is right in the car park. Just here, we've got a feeding station where food is put out, and the Siberian jays love it. So, Hannah is indicating the size of the bear tracks. That's a pretty big bear. Wow, that was fantastic.